What's really good, my people? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Let's get into this. So, the jury reached a verdict in the Amber Heard Johnny Depp trial today. And Johnny Depp won the suit. He's been awarded $15 million and basically exonerated from the accusations that he was abusive physically to his now ex-wife Amber Heard. And I gotta say, this is a win for justice and a lot of men that have been persecuted and falsely accused by women. Women have been afforded the luxury for a long time now to use the court system, the criminal court, as well as the family court system, as a weapon against men. Now, there are some men that are scumbags and that they are abusive mentally, physically, emotionally, etc. But there are other men that are not any of those things and have been tried and basically just made to look like animals by women that used the court system and the courts and things of that nature to destroy them, to take children away from men, to in this case try to take money away from men, to ruin their standing in the public's eye, and give people criminal charges that they stick with you. and especially a domestic violence charge in this day and age is as ugly as it gets. Nobody wants to hire you. Nobody wants to be involved with anybody that's accused of things of that nature, so hitting a woman, beating a woman, doing any of those things. That's not a good look for anybody. So like I said, this is a win for Johnny Depp, and I think him ultimately showing how toxic Amber Heard was. And if you've been following this trial, you know what I'm talking about, as far as she was the one that was mentally, physically, and emotionally abusive. Not saying that he wasn't, he didn't jab back, but his was more, you heard on the tapes that he was more of the submissive one that was trying to get away. At least that's what the tape showed, that he was the one that was trying to get away from the conflict, while she was the one encouraging it and antagonizing it and pushing, the violence. So there is a double standard when it comes to these things, and when it comes to domestic violence. And a lot of people think that it's impossible for a man to be domestically abused by his spouse. But that is not the case. And this trial and the evidence that was presented at this trial is damning, and it shows that Johnny Depp was the victim of domestic violence. All the things that men do to women, Amber Heard did to him. She hit him, she belittled him, she mentally abused him, emotionally abused him, anything you can name, she did. And like I said, the misconception is that men don't go through this. But I will say that overwhelmingly, it is men that are abusive, and more 9 out of 10 times it is a man doing this to a woman. But there are cases that men have this done to them. And like I said, it's a big win for him. Johnny Depp is a huge movie star, and because of these accusations, his career has been hindered, and he's been pretty much shunned by the industry, and nobody's really wanted to hire him. He's even not been, he wasn't cast in his movie, which is pretty much the Pirates of the Caribbean. He's not in the last movie because of these accusations. And like I said, it is a very, very ugly mark on your record if you are accused of something like this. So shout out to Johnny Depp. Shout out to the jurors and the people. I think they got this one right. I don't know, I don't know what's going to happen moving forward. I hope that he gets his life back. I hope that he gets his career back, because he is one of the better actors. And he's been proven innocent, man. And like I said, we need to stop with this double standard and understand that abuse comes from everybody. It could come from a woman, it could come from a man, it could come from anybody, any race, any color, any gender, anything. And we shouldn't just assume because a man is a man that he can't be physically or mentally abused by a woman. Because, like I said, the evidence that we just saw that was presented in this case shows very clearly that Amber Heard was the abusive one in that relationship. And like I said, she used or tried to use the court system and the justice system as a weapon to destroy her husband or her ex-husband. And thank God it didn't work. So that's what it is, my people. Y'all be good. Y'all stay safe. And until the next time, peace.